It's crooked. I've been doing a little work on the old Chinook. Not much, just tinkering around really. But I've added a new heat source, which it has a propane furnace, but I'm not 100% sure how much I'll be using it because it's not efficient. It's a 1979 model, so it's just drinks to propane. But anyway, it's here and it works, and I probably will be using it occasionally. But I added a second heat source. She got me, Felicia got it for me, so that was pretty nice of her. But yeah, let's go out here. I'll have to show you what I did. So here's the control panel. If yeah, that hole was already there. I didn't do that monstrosity. I'm gonna have to fix it. But if you recognize this control panel, then you already know what I got. So I'm gonna step outside and give you a second to think about what it is. Probably it looks a little dark. I don't know if you can see real good, but I put a old Chinese diesel heater in here. This is the box in the back of the RV that used to be the factory generator, and previous owners had taken it out, so it was just like a storage box. But now I decided to install the Chinese diesel heater in here. So here's a fuel tank mounted on the side, and this is the fuel filter and the fuel pump, and there's the heater itself, and I've got it going through the wall to the inside. See the vent right there, which that's horrible. I'm gonna fix that. That wall just disintegrated. As soon as I turned the saw on, it just went to powder. So yeah, I got some fixing to do here, but yeah, it should heat it up nicely in here. And I've had to take me a little nap today. Now I just laid down in here to, yeah, I just took a little nap today. Let me turn you around here. Hang on a second. So anyway, I'm getting it together. My next project's going to be the refrigerator, to get it out. I'm not in that big of a hurry to do it. For one thing, it's going to be a job because the refrigerator is bigger than the back door. Might be able to get it out on the driver's door or side door here. I don't know yet, but yeah, so I'm kind of procrastinating on doing that. I got the little electrical fridge I bought to use in here, so not too concerned with tearing it out just yet. Got refrigeration. Yeah, I got the diesel heater in. Did it yesterday afternoon. Super easy. If you ever think about doing one, don't be intimidated. I mean, it's really just plug and play. They're so easy. Now the only thing is, you're gonna have to cut some hoses. Depending on what you put it in, you're gonna have to cut a few hoses for the exhaust and intake hoses to go through, and that can be a little intimidating to people who start cutting holes in the rig. But other than that, it's pretty much plug and play. It ain't hard at all. But yeah, it's coming together. Got all my tools and junk in here. Old sleeping bag, I just threw it in here, and today I've been laying around doing a little research on some things, and you know, I thought since it was here, I might as well use it. Anyway, yeah, the gas stove and the oven works great. The propane furnace works good. I haven't tested the diesel heater yet because I don't have any diesel. But anyway, I don't have any diesel to put in it. But I'm pretty confident. We got hers hooked up. We put one in the van, or she put one in the van. We got it hooked up. It seemed to be working good. Pretty confident that was going to work. I need to get a little bit of diesel to check for any kind of leaks or anything. But again, that's not super important. I can get around to it when I get a chance. Water pump, all the plumbing works. I've got that taken care of. The water storage tank had some leaks, mainly the fill line. Got all that fixed and taken care of. That's no longer an issue. So I've pretty much got everything done. Got to change a few lights. I've got two the way I want them. There's too many lights in here. It's overkill, but I've got two fixed the way I want. So right now that's good. And one day down the road I'll do the other ones. You know, that's no big rush. So yeah, pretty much everything is as far as the basics of getting it usable, it's pretty much done. Now it's just little details, little minor things. Got to replace a few pieces of wood, fix some stuff that has age on it, and I was going to get rid of these blinds. I was going to change them, get rid of them, but the more I pillow around in here, the more they're starting to grow on me. I'm starting to like them. So for right now, I think I'm going to leave them. I mean, they're really outdated and look like a John Travolta 1979 movie, but I like it. So when the day comes I don't like it no more, I'll change them. Anyhow, I just want to jump on it real quick and give you a real fast update what's going on. Just been busy. We're working our jobs and then piddling with this thing, and you know, time slips away from you. So anyhow, I think that's about it. Turn around here and let me see the good view. Hang on. I've got it parked here at our campsite. That's our, well, from this little RV, that's the view we have. It's not bad. I mean, everywhere else back home and everywhere else on the map, it's freezing and snowing and raining, and right now it's 72 degrees and sunny here. Anywho, okay, hang on. I want to start rambling, this hee-hawing about nothing, so yeah, I just want to get on here and say hello, and not a whole lot going on right now, just doing what we do. So something exciting happens, I'll try to record it and let you know about it. But until I see you again, God bless you.